guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome to our Stamp and Die of the Month hop. We are so happy you are here today. If you click the hashtag N2S Turkey Day, you'll see all the videos in this hop. So it's a hashtag driven hop. You'll just hop to each video and then leave a comment and then come back to my Rafflecopter link to enter into the giveaway. This giveaway will end on the 14th. I will announce the winner on my YouTube community tab on September 15th. You can also just click back on that Rafflecopter link and it will show who the winner was. So I hope you get lots of inspiration for this month's Stamp of the Month. They are super cute images from Lime and Kiwi Designs, and it is called Turkey Day, and you get two sentiments: give thanks and Happy Turkey Day. So the coordinating die does come on a magnetic sheet for you to store away easily. The die does cut out both of the sentiments plus all of the images in the set. So I've already colored my images. We are going to put a card together. I colored this really cutie. The one laying down, I thought she or he was adorable. And then we've got the little hat, the pilgrim's hat. I've colored up some leaves. I love decorating my cards with leaves. I colored the pumpkin. Colored up two pumpkins, and then all the leaves and the acorn. We're going to use our Dots for Fall, which comes in the Paper Pad Club of the Month. So this month you're going to get Dots for Fall and Autumn Rain. So these are both beautiful paper pads. We do have a Dots for Spring, a Dots for Summer. Now we have a Dots for Fall. The colors are beautiful for fall. You get small dots on one side, and then you get the larger dots on the other side. And I just love these tones. They are just gorgeous. So I'm going to be using this mustard yellow color in my card today. Let me show you the Autumn Rain paper pad really quick in case you want to join this club. When you join the club, there'll be a drop-down menu. You'll choose monthly, and then you'll get an 18% off of your paper pad club. Or if you want to join the Stamp and Die of the Month, you'll also get 18% off that club as well. So you can put those on the same order and then only be charged for the one shipping fee. So gorgeous paper pad. I'll show you the card that I created really quickly for that. And it's a cute little flip-flop card. And these images come in the paper pad. All you have to do is cut them out. So really cute to put some quick cards together. So we'll use Dots for Fall. I cut out my panel. I have this really pretty cardstock. I'm not sure what color this is. It's kind of like a grayish green color. And then I'm going to use this for the inside. And then my little leftover piece, we're going to put that in there as well. And then we're going to stick on our dots. So we could do the smaller dots or the larger dots. I think I'm going to do larger dots on the outside. We're going to do a side folding card. So let's get some glue on that. Right now we do have some open spots for the Stamp of the Month. Usually there's not too many spots open for that one. I've opened up some more spots, so if you wanted to just join the Stamp of the Month, you'll get an 18% off the stamp, which is a really great deal. Don't forget to choose monthly before checkout. Now, if you wanted to purchase these items without joining the club, you can. You just don't get the discount. But you can go ahead and purchase them as a one-time purchase. So you'll get a new stamp every month, every 30 days from the date you purchase. You can go in there into your account and change the date as long as it's 10 days before your next shipment. So if you're in the middle of the month and you want to be on the 1st, you can go in and change that to get your items quicker. So that looks really cute. And then I have this wonky stitch rectangle, just a little smaller, and we're going to put that right in the center. So I can't wait to hop along and see what everyone created. This stamp set is really cute, and I think it would be perfect to do some Thanksgiving projects, like maybe some table toppers. Like, how cute would it be like to do some kind of napkin ring holder or a place card for everyone? Because those turkeys are just really, really cute, and the pumpkins. So let's just add this to the inside while we have our glue out. These would be, the stamp set would make great invites. You want to make a handmade card to invite your family to your Thanksgiving dinner. Those little turkeys would be like really cute to do a rosette, and then just have like the turkey in the middle of the rosette. I think that would be just so adorable. You could do like one of those rosette wands and then place them in the cups during your Thanksgiving landscape on your table. I'm going to add this strip right here, just so we can have some flair on the inside. And then for my little turkey, I want to do a little scene just like in the corner here. Let's see, we're going to use the pumpkins. I might just put this on the inside. You can put a little hat on the pumpkin if you wanted to. And then I want to add some acorns and leaves. So I think I'm going to put this hat on the inside like that. And then we're going to stamp out our sentiment. Okay, so we could do give thanks or happy turkey day. I might want to do a little banner to add more interest to this card. I could stamp out one of these sentiments on the inside of the card, but let's first put this together. So first I'm going to add the pumpkin straight onto the cardstock, and then we'll pop up our turkey. I think I wanted to cover that, I think. Let's see. Yes, I did want to put it down just a little bit. So I'm going to fill in down here my little leaves and acorns. You know what? I'm not going to pop it up. I think that looks cute like that. And then we'll put another leaf over here. And then we'll have one of these leaves, let's see, kind of just floating in the air. I think I want it somewhere over here. And we'll have our little banner over here. Or I could just stamp it right onto that panel. I'm going to try getting out black cardstock and embossing it in white and see how that looks. But first, let's just add these little images to the inside of the card. I'm going to stamp with Versamark. Then I'm just going to sprinkle on my white embossing powder. Okay, so I added foam tape to the back. And now I'm just going to butt this up to the end of this pattern paper and get that on straight. That looks good. So here we go. We have the Happy Turkey Day. And you know what I wish I would have done before I put that on there is add another piece of cardstock behind this so that it's raised up exactly the same amount as this, because this has a little lift here because it is very thick cardstock. That is a tip, but I did forget to do that. So kind of could see a little wave in my banner, but that is okay. And then we can add some embellishments. I'm going to add some of these brown flat back gems from Cat Scrappiness, and I'm just going to add 3 to the card. So here is how the card turned out. I think it is super cute, super simple, and I just love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And again, the clear photopolymer stamp set by Not Too Shabby called Turkey Day. and the dots for fall. So I'll have all the links down below to the items in the shop. Have fun hopping to the next person, and I will catch you real soon. Bye guys!